Welcome to LP 2K16 Outdoors. I'm your host, Josh. This is my sidekick, Landon. Say what's up, Landon.
What's up?
We will be your hosts on this channel, and we will do our best to keep you guys happy. What's up, y'all? Welcome to LP 2K16 Outdoors. Today, we're going to be talking about my 96 Jeep Cherokee 2-door. It's got a 4.0 6-cylinder in it, 5-speed transmission. It's got 6-inch lift kit, rough country, I think, on 33s. She does well. My ignition was going out, so stay tuned. We'll be showing you how to fix that here in just a minute. Alright guys, I'm under here on the Jeep. This is the starter here. This is your solenoid. I just put a wire right here on this prong running to the push button inside of the truck, and I ran the other wire right here to the positive cable on the battery. The wires are running. I hadn't fixed them up too good yet, but as you can see, they're running over into the truck. Alright, so as I was saying earlier, my ignition was giving me some issues. It wouldn't start, blah blah blah. So I went to the local parts store, got a little push button, about $5. So let's see what happens. We got power. Come down here to the push button. I haven't mounted it yet, but she'll work. Let's see. There you go. Easy $5 piece, $5 part. We got her fixed up. She's ready to go hit the road and do some more pig hunting. Alright guys, here is the Jeep. She is not the prettiest Jeep in the world, but she goes wherever I need her to. She's a little messy right now, but got my hunting stickers on the back. My Squeal Team 6 guys, we love them. I hunt with those guys. And of course we got the Dead Air guys over there, Suppressor Company. They do a great job. But here she is. She works great now. Appreciate you guys for watching. So guys, there you have it. Cheap $5 fix for that Jeep. I installed a push button on it. I don't have to worry about ignitions no more. It is going to be a great thing. Hey, listen to this. Appreciate you guys for watching. As always, drop a comment if this video helps you. Hit the like button, and please subscribe to get some future videos from me and my counterpart. He's inside doing whatever 2-year-olds do these days. Probably watching YouTube Kids, or I have no idea. But appreciate you guys. Love you. Thank you.